Find the value of lift coefficient to ensure power required minimum condition for cruise if CD0K is given as 0.480. A 1.2. B 2.1. C 1.7. D 7.5. The correct answer is 1.2. An aircraft is operating with CL of 1.5 and has power required of 120 watts. If we want to reduce the power required by half, then find the value of CL at this power required condition. Consider steady level flight. A 2.38. B 1.946. C 9.45. D 5.59. The correct answer is 2.38. An aircraft has maximum lift to drag ratio of 15. If we want to fly aircraft for best range, then find the best value of aerodynamic efficiency to achieve above mentioned result. A 12.9. B 13.5. C 15. D 12.1. The correct answer is 12.9. A jet engine is designed to operate at endurance of 12 HRS. If weight fraction is 1.6 and jet engine has TSFCC as 0.00021 per second, then find at which lift to drag ratio that can satisfy above criteria. A 19.3. B 18. C 12. D 12.6. The correct answer is 19.3. Calculate how much power will require to maintain cruise speed of 120 ms if thrust required is 1 kN. Consider steady level flight. A 120 kW. B 110 N. C 120 N. D 129 watts. The correct answer is 120 kW. If power required at sea level altitude is 2005 watts, then determine power required at altitude at which density ratio is 0.9. A 2.113 kW. B 2,11,115 watts. C 2,354 watts. D 500 watts. The correct answer is 2.113 kW. A prop-driven aircraft has propeller efficiency of 0.92 and C as 0.0007451 m. If lift to drag ratio is 14 and weight fraction as 1.145, then find range of the propeller-driven aircraft. A 2340.95 m. B 2340.5 miles. C 2340 kilometers. D 2500 miles. The correct answer is 2340.95 m. Determine the value of drag at which we can have minimum power if given reference area is 10 m2 and 0 lift drag coefficient is 0.5. Consider Q as 120 Pa. A 2400 N. B 1.25. C 9.85. D 4500 kN. The correct answer is 2400 N. A propeller aircraft has wing loading of 30 unit and is operating with density of 1.21 unit. Determine velocity for maximum loiter. Consider KCD0 as 0.1. A 3 unit. B 5 unit. C 9 unit. D 10 unit. The correct answer is 3 unit. An aircraft has LD as 12 and thrust required at this value is 100 N. Now if LD has doubled, then what will be the new thrust required? A 50 N. B 500 N. C 100 N. D 12.5 N. The correct answer is 50 N. Find instantaneous range of a jet-propelled aircraft if lift-to-drag ratio is 12 and weight fraction at cruise W1 W0 is 1.9. Consider cruise speed of 120 ms and SFC of 0.00161 per second. A 574 kilometers. B 574 m. C 574 miles. D 574 feet. The correct answer is 574 kilometers. The drawing which represents the rough idea of the actual design is called as A. Conceptual sketch. B. Conceptual elevation. C. Conceptual digit. D. Conceptual parameter. The correct answer is conceptual sketch. The estimation of weight, fuel weight, etc. is done by process A. Sizing. B. Drawing. C. Lofting. D. Drafting. The correct answer is sizing. Which of these cannot be considered as design requirement of prop engine? A. Range. B. Endurance. C. Takeoff and landing. D. Turbine temperature. The correct answer is turbine temperature. How conceptual design begins? A. With predefined requirements or new concept. B. With fabrication. C. With lofting. D. With CFD tests. The correct answer is with predefined requirements or new concept. Civil and military requirements are same for conceptual design. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is false. In steady level, unaccelerated flight lift is equal to weight. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true.